Hello. Hi guys, my name is Nghĩa. Today I want to talk to you about the race. It's 9 o'clock and Nam is riding his car in Hanoi. He riding down Forest Street and come to stoplight. A red motorcycle pulls up in front of him. The driver wearing red skis. She looks over at Nam. Nam looks at her and realizes that the driver is Phương. Phương sneers at Nam. She said, when the light turned green, let's race. Nam said, okay, you're on. Phương said, I'm gonna beat you. Nam said, if the bear makes the most noise, what's by man? Nam and Phương went up to the light. Suddenly, the light turned on. Nam and Phương take up. They zoom forward at top speed. Phương is winning. But suddenly, Westdar appeared behind Phương. It's their police. They pull her. Nam zoomed past Phương, laughing. Ha 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 ha. He yelled, better luck next time. Nam is the winner. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.